What up, guys? I'm going to unbox my order. It arrived earlier from Zalora, and this is a Nike shoes Airforce 1. I bought this one for 4,700, and they have a sale 20% discount that time, so I only paid around 3,800 something. So I was able to sanitize it already. So let's open this one right here. It took like 6 days for this to arrive. Since I'm from Cebu, I make sure it's the Lazada office. Okay, so this is the box. It's color gray with Nike Airforce 1. Let's see the size. So it's Airforce 107 white, and then 10 UK. Oh, it's 44 size 10. Let's open this one. Here's the first one. This is so nice. I choose white because, you know, it suits to everything you wear. So also boost your confidence and make you good. Let's see the other one. There you go. The back has the Nike Air logo. It's so nice. It's so white. I'm not really a pro when it comes to reviewing sneakers, and this is also my first time actually ordering legit shoes online, so I can say that Zalora is really legit.